Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone leather wallet, the MagSafe leather wallet for iPhone. On the back, it shows that this is an iPhone leather wallet at the top, and it also gives a demonstration of how you can connect the wallet to your iPhone right here. Stick it to that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're just going to simply slide it out. Put this to the side, and I'm just going to pull it out. And inside is the wallet. Feels nice. I believe some patina will happen after some time of touching this. On the front side, there's the Apple logo, and if I bring it closer, you can see the stitching that goes all the way around. And on the back side, there's stitching right here. It looks very nice, very professionally made. I don't see any flaws at all. Right here it shows me to slide this up. I believe it's directing me to slide this up. But before we get to that, let's pull out the instructions that are inside of the case. There is no instructions. There's just some information about medical device interference. So I'm guessing inside, right here, is the instructions. So I'm just going to slide this up and pull it out. And here are the instructions, actually. So I can slide the card inside and then attach it to the back of my case, which I also have. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this back in. And I'm going to use this as a demonstration of this is a card that's in my wallet. So I'm going to slide this in. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring my phone up. And supposedly, I'm supposed to stick this to it like this. So it sticks to the back of the wallet just like that. And hopefully it won't slide off. Let me try it this way. Doesn't work on this side too much. There's a little bit of magnification. But the strong magnet is on this side where it sticks to it. And hopefully it won't fall off. Just like that. Looks pretty nice. So that's the iPhone leather wallet, MagSafe. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. And they accompany each other pretty well. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.